It is Women's History Month, and I am so excited to be doing this $6,500 diamond giveaway, which you absolutely want to be a part of, because guess what? This diamond giveaway is going to change lives for women in Northern Uganda, the most underserved region there. I partnered with Lori Harder and Natasha Moore. These two women I have a beautiful personal connection with, and we are using our influence for good to help raise funds for these girls in Africa who are being sold into child marriage at age 10, 11, and 12, who are illiterate, and giving them access to literacy and reading will change their lives, change their trajectory. It'll help them become entrepreneurs, business owners, and put food on the table for their families. And so joining this giveaway will help you do that. So this month we are here to empower women and give them access to equality and social justice. So let me tell you about the giveaway. So I am giving away a a gorgeous 2-carat diamond pendant, colorless. Let's see if you can see it there. There it is. I wear mine all the time, close to your heart, amplifying the heart, feeling from the heart, moving from the heart. This is a powerful diamond pendant. And Lori Harder, who changed my life 9 years ago, I went to her retreat. Her retreat inspired me to start this business. Like, I would be in such a different place if I didn't go to her retreat. She is offering a $1,200 ticket it's a girlfriend's business brand workshop. And this is a workshop you want to go to if you want to step into the fullness of who you are and up level your career game. Whether you work for someone else or you work for yourself, you want this and you want her in your corner. And Natasha Moore, who is a client of mine, she recently got engaged, and she is an advocate for girls being sold into, not an advocate, she does advocacy for girls being sold into child marriage. And she has an amazing makeup brand. She's offering a $2,000 masterclass along with a ton of amazing makeup in this giveaway. So in order to join the giveaway, you have to donate $25 to the Women's Global Empowerment Fund. So it's not quite free, but this is something that is going to help shift the trajectory for women who are desperately in need and who are looking for a chance at a different life. So every $25 is a ticket to the giveaway. So if you donate $100, you get 4 tickets at a chance of all of these amazing things that are all the things that you want in your life. So donate $25, change a life. Please share this with every woman you know. We are going to do this giveaway for the entire month of March, and at the end of March, I will draw the name of an incredible woman who is going to be gifted all these things. But everyone who is a part of this giveaway, just know that you are doing good. Hug yourself, because you are changing a life. Join the giveaway today, and thank you so much.